What's up, what's up? Same day, different job. So we got a 3-bay going to South Carolina this weekend. So we're gonna get back doing things how we were before and hopefully get y'all good video footage of building this 3-bay and delivering it. Firstly, I gotta get the shop cleaned up before I can even start working. That's gonna be task number 1. And then after that, we'll get started. I got the decks already built, the platform, so we're gonna use that one. Day 2, we back out here working on this triple bay going to South Carolina. I really gotta finish it today because I just got an order that's actually going to North Carolina today. And it's kind of like, normally I don't do this, but I'm on that route and he had kind of a small order. So I was like, let me just go ahead and try to get it done. But he's also gonna be getting a 5x10 roof, which I haven't even had a chance to build my own 5x10 roof, so finding roofing iron is gonna be a little difficult. But I think I got a lead on it. I'm just gonna have to travel a little farther to get it. But I mean, like I said, we're gonna make it happen. That's all we do is just make it happen. All right, I'm calling it at night. About 11:30, almost 12 o'clock. See y'all in the morning. What's up? We back. Day 3. We about to wrap this up. A lot of people don't understand that getting materials is half of the job. Flooring, luckily, I usually buy it in bulk, so I got plenty of it around. But as far as the roofing iron, when the roofing iron was hard to find, These metal panels that I got, man, they like impossible to find anywhere else. I gotta order them about 6 to 8 months in advance. So when you wanna get a kennel from me and you call me and you say, hey, what's the soonest I can get one to you? And I tell you that I could get one for you in a month, that's because it's gonna take that. I feel like the materials are available enough that it'll take me a month to get them. If I say I'm 6, 8 months out, that means I'm usually waiting for materials on top of I already have orders in front of you. So when you call me, I don't want you to just think like, hey, this is something that I could just call this guy and get today or tomorrow, something like that. Usually that's not the case. I'm not bullshitting you when I say that it's gonna be 6 to 8 months or whatever out. That's because I'm trying to get you the best quality thing I can. So that's it for the night. We got everything built, everything loaded up. I think we're gonna leave around probably 10 tomorrow, sometime between 10 and noon. It's a 12-hour trip to South Carolina, and then, to North Carolina. So I'm going to North Carolina first, and then I got an order in South Carolina. I'm gonna cut back down to South Carolina and then cut over back home. What's up? So we just made it out here to Tarboro, North Carolina. The drive ended up being about 16 hours with the snow and sleet and all that. We had a lot of inclement weather or whatnot. So shoot, it's about 20 degrees out here right now, but we're gonna make it happen.
WB with another banger. Turn it up.
What's up? We out here in Princeville, North Carolina. Just finished the 3-bay behind me. Got my guy Chubb right here.
What's happening? What's happening? Very professional dude. Pulled up early in the morning, freezing weather, raining, got his job done. Then going about his way. I advise anybody to tap in with them.
Man, I appreciate you.
No doubt, bro. I appreciate you.
What's up, it's Hustline. I'm out here with Bailey.
Happy customer.
We just finished setting up his brand new 5x10 setup, the new deck, the new roof. I will be coming back to add an addition to this. Appreciate y'all for watching.